This is the Simmons 890 yard hydrant head. So you can see it'll come with the handle, the straps, the pivot connector, everything there. What we can do, we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head. Now the head is a cast iron material. So we'll start with a measurement of the base here where it will connect. We'll measure the outside diameter of that hedged portion there. So you've got a total outer diameter of right about 2 1/4 inches. And then an inside diameter, so right there at the threads, it's about 1 1/4 inches. So they are female thread, same as the spout. And then we can also measure a total height, so we'll measure from the base here to the top there. See, it's right at 6 inches. And we can measure the spout too. It's got a length of about 2 1/4 inches. Yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 890 yard hydrant head.